Hello guys, good to see you again. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a silly face salad. Let's do it! To make your own salad recipe, you can use different kinds of ingredients such as carrots, tomatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, or even mushrooms. Separate every single left lettuce into a very large bowl and let it soak with water and a tablespoon of vegetable bleach for 15 minutes. After, all you have to do is to drain the water and rinse. Now your lettuce is clean and mostly dry. Next, take a bowl and a peeler and peel the carrot. Pour 1 teaspoon of salt into a pan filled with water. Then add your peeled carrot. Let it cook in a medium heat. Next, cut into cubes a bit. After that, boil an egg in a small saucepan. Peel the egg. And cut it in half. Gently shake the water off each lettuce leaf and place them one at a time on a plate. Add the cooked carrot to make your silly face salad's hair. After that, add the eggs. The eyes. Next, place the beet cubes in the shape of a smile. At last, add an olive to make the nose. And your silly face salad is done! I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to make a very beautiful and funny salad at home with your family and share your food creation with us. Kisses! See you soon!